lady that I love. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today we're going to be exploring Goa's hidden gem, the Margao Municipality Market. Within this hidden gem, we have lots of Goan spices like Kashmiri chilies, Goan spices, Goan snacks, sweets, cherries, Goan meat, and a lot of fruits and vegetables. So one of the biggest reasons I come to Margao Market personally is because you don't really get a lot of these stuff in the UK. Like over here we have traditional Goan spices, and beside from that you get really good accessories as well, like these scrunchies at a really cheap rate compared to the UK. So I really like to stock up on them when I'm here because they're pretty cheap, to be honest.
You guys, just look what I spotted. I found the infamous cream of the crop, the Goan jaggery. Now this is something you can't find anywhere outside Goa. I tried looking far and wide, you don't get it in the UK basically. So I really like to stock up on that too so I can make some Goan sweets in the UK. And
oh my days, you guys, I just found these beautiful Indian bangles here. I'm literally so excited. Okay, so now we are in one of Margao Market's most popular stall, and yeah, let's have a look.
okay.
Maybe special discount 50 rupees. 198 minus 50. Chicken. Through vinegar. Masala pickle. Stuff masala inside.
This magnet. And that we have that.
One masala body.
I married a female wrestler as massive as can be, and she had bulging muscles which quite fascinated me. She said she loved me truly. She also
Okay, you guys, I am absolutely exhausted and I need a break. I need to quench my thirst right now. Okay, so just opposite that shop we were previously at, there's this guy who sells refreshments, you guys, and oh my days, you get fresh Mosambi juice, limbu soda, falooda, sweet or salted lassi.
she came a dress as Dara Singh. We wrestled through the hall. We wrestled through the foxtrot. I was powerless to resist. We wrestled through the tango, but I fainted in the
Tato's Cafe. You can't come to Goa without visiting this cafe, y'all. Okay, you guys, I need a break. I'm exhausted. So here we have some shave puri, so yummy. We also have the star of the show, the decadent and infamous pav bhaji. Here is some Goan chow. And you guys, you can't forget about Maza when you're in Goa. We also have the amazing Tato's speciality, the bhaji puri. I also highly recommend the falooda and the masala dosa.
Sopon khore, zale pure, koru maka khoshi. Nitora sotor karis, soda chas peli peli.
Sanglar bore, ek sure, sandun maka beshi.
La 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 la, gopant maka do. La la la, Morgan Isla Zoo. Zomle, ha, amno gele, mokorong fure sola. Kedna zau chenui raga, utorve chenui nega. Devandile,
lady that I love. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady I love. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. Lady that I love. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady I love. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. Lady that I love. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady I love. She's a lady from Goa. She's a lady.